Yo, what's up guys, Bombgardener here with another video, and yeah, as you can tell from the title, it's another Ruroc video, but dang dude, I finally got the new helmet in. I got the Ruroc Atlas 4.0, the Nebula carbon in, and I'm just like freaking stoked to the moon. So this is going to be another unboxing video. We did one back in Vegas whenever I first got the raw carbon, and it wasn't the best, so I wanted to do another one. We're not going to go into like super detail of everything, but we'll give enough detail for the new people that haven't seen any of the other videos and are looking to get a Ruroc helmet. So let's get started on that unboxing. So if you order a helmet from Ruroc, they're going to send it in this nice brown box here. It'll tell you what kind of helmet it is and all that good fun stuff, and got some cool marketing on it. And then they've got their little seal here. So let's go ahead and open this up and access the next box that's going to be in here. Once you open that up, we're just going to have this little card here that's going to advertise the Shockwave, and just basically tell you you should get a Shockwave because they're pretty awesome. If you ordered a Shockwave, they would put it in this like little thing, I assume. I don't know. I didn't get my Shockwave with the helmet. Like I said, I got it at the event and they had it in like a box, and it was like, hey, grab one of these and grab the pin lock and all that cool stuff. So once you get that out of there, here's the box for the actual helmet. We'll go ahead and slide that out. We're just gonna flip it upside down. Perfect. Like I said, once you get it out of that brown box that they use for shipping, it's going to show you what kind of helmet it is on the side. It's going to have some nice marketing, advertising, I guess, Ruroc in all black, a little bit more over here, and then the logo up on the top of the box. So we'll go ahead and open up the box. It's just going to be a little pull tab, and then you pull it up. And look at that beautiful picture of mountains, and I think that says Ruroc. I don't know. I can't. Yeah, Ruroc, www.ruroc.com. We'll fold this one out like that. It's got some more marketing, advertising, whatever you want to call it. And then we open up the two sides, and it's going to reveal your helmet. So in this order, I actually ordered 3 visors with it. And I freaked out a little bit because there wasn't a separate box for the visors. I kind of figured that they would put the visors in separate boxes, but they actually put it in the box with the helmet. So we've got 3 different visors here. We'll go into detail with those here in a second, but let's just put those out of the way. So every helmet that you order through Ruroc, they're going to send you a complimentary dark smoke visor. So it's just going to be this like simple plain Jane black visor. And if you peel off this tape, you'll be able to see that it's just a black visor. So if you see, just a black visor here. And they're going to send that with every helmet, which is super nice. I know a lot of companies that only give you a clear visor, and who wants a clear visor, you know? All right, now we're down to the prized possession. It's going to be the helmet. Let's open it, pull it out all nice. So it comes in this nice Ruroc marketed bag. A nice little helmet bag to keep it in if you're traveling or anything, and it's going to keep it safe. There is one more thing in the box though, and I'll go ahead and pull that out. So it's going to be these, and I'll explain what these are a little bit better here in a second, but basically they're going to help with sound canceling whenever you're riding. Pretty cool little idea they came up with, and I'll show you how to use them here in a second. All right, cool. Now that we got everything out of the box, we can close back up the box and get it out of the way. All right, so I know everybody wants to see it. I want to see it. I'm excited to see it. So let's go ahead and get this Nebula out of the bag, because man, like this has always been the helmet that I wanted from Ruroc, the Nebula. Unfortunately, I didn't have it at the event, so I had to get this, and then the black, the core, I guess is what they call it. But the Nebula is what I really, really, really wanted, and I'm excited to take a look at it. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so they've got the drawstrings here. You're gonna have to untie them. We're just getting closer and closer to checking this sick helmet out. We're gonna open it up, and wow. Man, I'm telling you, you gotta freaking love it. I mean, look at that thing. It is absolutely freaking beautiful. It's got the clear visor on right now, so we're gonna have to change that real quick, but gosh, that is just such a beautiful color combination with the carbon fiber on it. Oh. Beautiful helmet, beautiful helmet. So this helmet is actually made fully from carbon fiber, so you know that's going to be really good if you go down. It's going to help protect your skull a little bit better than the other materials that people use with helmets. Now with that carbon fiber, although it does offer better protection, it is going to increase the noise a little bit in the helmet, but I'm telling you, they did a really good job with sound canceling on this helmet, and the wind noise in these helmets are fantastic. This helmet's going to be DOT approved and ECE R22-06 approved, so they went through some good strenuous testing, and this helmet is tested to protect your noggin pretty pretty well. I just had a crash, as many of you guys know, at 70 miles per hour wearing the roll carbon, as you see here, and all I got was a scrape and a little scrape in the back, and no brain damage, and that's the most important part. Another accounting factor to the no brain damage is the Rheon tech that they actually have within the helmet. So it's on the headliner, and this is the first helmet that's ever had Rheon tech put into it. Like I said, the Rheon tech, it's going to be in the headliner, and basically it's kind of like little bubbles, I guess you could say, and it's going to help with concussion prevention. So really nicely designed. The vents are adjustable on the top. You can also adjust the chin. Vent by reaching your hand in there and grabbing that little plug right there and just moving it up or down to open it or close it. So now, if you guys remember earlier in the unboxing, I opened this up and I was going to explain what they are. So let me open it up out of the package real quick so you guys can get a better view. So check this out. These are two little, it's almost like memory foam if you press down on it. And they've got Velcro on the back. So basically on the ear sections on here, there's built-in Velcro for you to attach these. If you put these in the helmet, the memory foam part is going to press up against your ears, and it's going to help a ton with canceling out wind noise. Downside, you can't really use these with the shockwave system or Sena or Cardo or anything because you need that spot to put your speakers. But if you're somebody that doesn't enjoy listening to music while they're riding, but you want it to be a little bit more quiet, these are going to be awesome for you because they really do cancel the noise. I tested them out, and they really do work pretty good. It's a super good idea from the Ruroc team. All right, guys, here is the Nebula on head with, of course, the blue iridium visor. I had to go ahead and put it on, and man, I think it looks super freaking sleek and just absolutely killer, man. Like, it's mean as hell, I can't lie. I'll try to give you guys a few different angles. Yes, I still have the tag on. It's going to be like, what is it? I think people whenever they get new hats, they keep the stickers and stuff on. Let's see how long I can keep the tags on. Probably rip it off the first time I ride. But yeah, man, absolutely super satisfied with the purchase. Like I said, if you guys are on the fence about getting a 4.0, do your research, of course. Do your own research. Everybody has their own preference in helmets, and not every single helmet is meant for every single person. So do your research. But if you want my opinion on it, man, I love this helmet. It's treated me great. It kept me alive during my crash. It fits perfect. It doesn't move while you're moving your head. The wind noise is very low. I am not sponsored or affiliated or anything with Ruroc. They didn't pay me to say this. They didn't give me a helmet to say this. This is all my own opinions. I know I'm still going to get all those comments down below that don't actually watch the video to the end, but I am not sponsored with Ruroc. This is just my own honest opinion. But guys, I really appreciate you all watching the video. If you guys do want me to get sponsored by Ruroc, consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's grow the freaking bomb squad up, and they will recognize the power that we have, and we could possibly get a sponsorship with them. If you guys have any questions about the helmet, visors, whatever, leave a comment down below. And until the next video, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Yeah, that makes sense. Peace.